Hello everyone, this is Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you 21941 Rimhurst, Unit Q in Lake Forest, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo at 900 square feet. It is located in a quiet, family-friendly community that does have access to various amenities, including a community park, community tennis courts, playground, as well as community basketball court, located just right across from the unit, so super nice and convenient and close. We'll go ahead and step inside and show you what this property has to offer. As you step inside, you are greeted by the dining room, which features a very attractive overhead lighting fixture. Perfect place to enjoy meals with your loved ones. We've got this beautiful flooring all throughout the home. Give you some additional angles here. And the dining room does open up to the kitchen, which features elegant white hardwood cabinetry, as well as stunning countertops. This kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, stove and oven, as well as a microwave. Got a nice big sink as well, really nice and convenient when washing your dishes and cooking. It does have a nice cutout looking into the living space, giving it that nice and open feeling. There also is a bar style countertop if you wish to use some bar stools and utilize that. We got the living space, which is nice and spacious, perfect for family movie nights or relaxation. It does have a nice big sliding glass door that allows lots of natural light to fill the space. And it does lead to a nice balcony. So we'll go ahead and check out that now. It is enclosed on both sides, so very private, and it does overlook the park. So we got a nice little view there of the playground, nice big grassy space, basketball courts, as well as tennis courts, all just right over there. And then you are going to have a washer and dryer in unit as well. So super nice and convenient. No need to go looking around for laundry or go to a laundromat. And then we've got the first bedroom over here on the left. Nicely sized, and it does have a sliding glass door that leads out to that balcony that we were just on. And here we got this beautiful flooring in the bedrooms as well. This bedroom is equipped with a sliding glass closet. Lots of space for your storage needs. And then we're gonna have the bathroom right here. Very attractive single vanity, perfect for your morning routines. Lots of counter space. And then a beautiful tile shower and tub combo. And last but not least, the second bedroom, which has double doors that open. It's very expansive, very generously sized. And it does have a 3 sliding door closet. It's very nice for getting ready in the mornings. Nice and tall as well. And it's got plenty of space for your entire wardrobe Even has some built-in shelving. And it does have a nice big window, allowing lots of natural light to enter the room. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 21941 Rimhurst, Unit Q in Lake Forest, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo at 900 square feet. It does have beautiful flooring all throughout the home. It's very spacious. It does have access to community amenities that are located just across from the unit, including a park, basketball courts, tennis courts, and a playground. It is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, stove and oven, as well as a washer and dryer in unit. And it does have a nice private balcony as well. You definitely do not want to miss out on this one. It is available for rent now. So if you are interested, you can visit our website at www.TrueDoorPM.com in order to schedule a showing or submit an application. Thank you so much, everyone.